Hello everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curls by the Dozen. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you 2 protective styles that you can do on dry, damp, or wet hair. So for this wash and go, I used the Almond Dry Twisting Butter by Camille Rose Naturals. And I also used the Lavender Crush Defining Gel as well. Okay, so let's get into these curls. They're super defined and super moisturized because I use the Almond Dry Twisting Butter as a leave-in. I would highly recommend doing that, but my hair is super soft, super moisturized. Right now, it's about 85% dry. These are the only 2 products I use for my wash and go, so now we'll get into my protective styles. Okay, so let's get right into the half up, half down style. So what you're gonna need is some Almond Dry Twisting Butter and a bristle brush. So I'm going to section my hair, no specific way. So I have a section of hair here. Now get a clip. Get a clip and I'll clip this back. And I'm gonna take another section of hair here. Maybe they should be about the same. Take a little bit more. Ooh. Take a little bit more over here. And then I'll clip that up as well. So I'll start on this side. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the Almond Dry Twisting Butter. This stuff is so creamy. I'm not really into twist outs too much. However, I do love a butter. Any thick product, I'm pretty much into it. So I'm gonna smooth that into the hair. Mind you, my hair already has product on it. It already has gel and all that good stuff because this is a wash and go. So it doesn't need too much product, but we all know I'm heavy-handed, so be like me or don't. All I know is my hair stays moisturized. So I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair back a little bit so it stays out of the way. I forgot to add, you're also gonna need bobby pins, or you can use rubber bands. So now I'm going to begin to flat twist after I add some more of this butter. If you have flyaways, just apply some oil. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of my hair like so, and then I'm going to separate it and begin to twist. So as I'm twisting, I'm adding more hair to my twist. So we're pulling it down, wrapping around, we're pulling it down, wrapping around. I like to twist, twist, twist. And we have it. And then it will be pinned back like so. So this is what we're trying to get at. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna attach this with my clip just so it stays put while I do the other side. Okay, so here we have the other side. I'm going to clip my hair back so it's out of the way, and we're gonna get to twisting. After we apply the butter, oh, that is so much. It's okay though. We're gonna work that through there. You want it to be as smooth as possible. Not so juicy. Okay. We're gonna take a small section. Let's try that again. I'm gonna take a small section like so. I like for it to be like a little triangle. Divide it. It's okay if some curls are sticking out. Like before, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that butter to the top of the hair. And we're gonna take out the clip. Here we go. And that's what we have here so far. Butter. I think I'm gonna bobby pin this. So I'm gonna let that hang. Make sure to have your bobby pins ready so your twists don't get too loose. Of course, they're just twists so you can secure them back, but be prepared. Of course, if you'd like to, you can do your baby hairs as well. I would recommend tying the hair down so that it remains looking good and the style sets in place. I would also recommend putting some Eco Styler gel or whatever edge control you like on your edges to make sure it stays down. But this is what it would look like. Super cute. If you're sick of your wash and go, or you just wanted to switch it up a little bit. So now let's get on to the next style. And so here I am back again. I removed the pins from my half up, half down style. And now we're going to do 2 flat twists. And we can either leave them down or pin them up. I prefer to pin them up because I think it's super cute that way. And it's something different, and it keeps your hair out of your face, off of your neck. Sometimes I don't like my hair on me. So here's, and we're gonna add a little bit more of the butter to the inside, going down further. Because as we go through the hair, we definitely want it to be easy to go through and easy to twist. So what I'm gonna do is brush the hair. And what I'll also do is apply a little bit more of the gel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clip it up right here to this side, and then I'm going to do this side of my hair, and I'll speed it up so you can see, and then we'll get into the length edges. Essentially what you're doing is picking up your twist and putting them to the other side. So you can add as many bobby pins as you like. Just do it to your liking and make sure the hair is as secure or as loose as you'd like it to be. I personally like mine to be secure as possible. Okay, so I pulled out some hair and then I'm going to just let it curl. Add a little bit of water to my hands. We want these curls to start popping. So you let these hairs dry and then it'll definitely be a look. So this is what I have here. Comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to. And also follow me on Instagram at Curlsbythedozen. Thank you for watching. See you next time.